Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nora and I'm currently 39 weeks pregnant and just waiting for my baby to arrive. Yeah, I'm so excited. In this video, I wanted to show you what I packed for the hospital bag. I know not everything is super necessary, but I thought it's better to be prepared. And having my own, I feel better. And I packed two bags, one for me and one for my baby. So let's go through them together. The first thing that's very important is water bottle with a straw. Why a straw? Because during labor, you super focus on contractions and deeply breathing, and your lips get to dry very fast, and you need to be stay hydrated. And after delivery, you can ask someone just to hold the water bottle and just sleep, okay? Or after a C-section, you don't want to sit up or lift your head every time and you need water. This straw makes it much easier. Okay, guys, another item I packed is a nursing pad, and it's for breastfeeding pad. And so probably you have a leaks after the birth, and this pad is easy and small and to keep feel fresh and dry. It's very helpful. Yeah, and I've got another things that is maternity pads, and also because it's the bleeding is more than the regular period, and after birth you need the pads. I've got this one, and this one as well is a pants protect, and because it's not move around, and I'm not worried about the leaks, and I think it should be fine for the after the delivery. Yeah. So I packed a few set of comfy clothes, and honestly, hospital gowns are okay, but they are not super comfortable. After giving birth, you just want to feel cozy, and so having soft, loose clothes and nursing friendly gowns and makes such a big difference. So it's good to have a couple of extras in case one gets dirty. And I also packed a few nursing bra, and regularly is not a regular bras because it doesn't have the wire, and it's so easy for the breastfeeding, and you definitely need them. And yeah, the clothes are super important, and don't skip them, and pack a few comfy outfits, a couple of bras and a gown, and losing pajamas and like that to feel fresh and comfortable the whole. Alright guys, toiletries and little makeup to feel fresh. First, toiletries are prepared as the toothbrush and toothpaste. Hospitals have basics, but your own is better. Yeah, and the shampoo and body wash is super important to feel fresh. And I've got a hand and face wipes as well, and moisturizing and hair dryer. Helps a lot if you want to look good in photos. Don't forget the slippers for the hospital. They're super important because the hospital floors are cold and sometimes slippery, and you want to be comfy and walking around your room. And easy to sleep on and off, and especially after giving birth. And I packed lightweight and non-sleepers and nothing fancy, just comfy and safe. After birth, your feet can get really cold and totally normal, and hospital floors are cold, and your body is still recovering, and that's why I pack the comfy socks, and it keeps your feet warm and cozy while you recover.